Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to transfer graphs and analysis direct into MS Word or PowerPoint. I will tell you two ways. After making graphs and analysis, many people are confused about how we can transfer that analysis into MS Word or PowerPoint. So let's start. First of all, I will open MS Word file. MS Word file is opening. After that, I will open GraphPad Prism. I will select simple X and Y graph, create. Here I will open latest file, go to file option, and here is different files, previous files, so I will select anyone. Now our file is open. I will tell you two ways. So first one is I will select each graph. How we can select each graph? I am using Ctrl A key. Right click, select copy, go to MS Word file, and paste here. No, all graphs are pasted here. So after that, I will tell you another way. Go to GraphPad Prism. Here I don't need to select each graph. Simple. I will click on MS Word. Go to MS Word file. It's take a time. Please wait. MS Word file. Guys, here you can see that our graph is converted. I am using two ways. It's first way, copy and paste, and it's second way. So we can save MS Word file, but I don't want save. Don't save. After that, I want transfer in PowerPoint. So first of all, I will open PowerPoint file on desktop. Open. Go to GraphPad. I will click on PowerPoint option. Go to PowerPoint file. Here guys, you can see that all graphs are transferred. Another way is copy and paste. Select each graph, copy. I will select blank sheet and paste. Wow, our graph is pasted. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any confusion, let me know in comment box. Bye bye.